What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So today in this video we're going to talk about 6 big tech stocks. But before we dive into this video, if you are new to this channel, consider subscribing, and if you like this kind of content, drop a like, comment below, and that really helps out with YouTube algorithm, and 50 plus likes on this video would be greatly appreciated, guys. And if you find my videos are helpful and you want to get more access with me throughout the day and get my real-time buy and sell alerts, consider joining the Patreon and the Discord. And from next month, I'll be going live in my Discord with my real-time buy and sell alerts. And I'm going to show you guys just a small sample. What do you get when you join the Patreon membership? So this is exactly what you get when you become a Patreon member, guys. And it's not only one day, days after days. I've been putting out my levels and it's working. I'm getting in and getting out with profits in the market. Now, ADSK, early in the morning, 7:06 a.m. So you know I'm doing my homework, getting up early and looking at the market. And not only 7:06 a.m., even the night before, my target was ADSK and DE. So DE, John Deere, was massive. And we all know what the stock did on Wednesday. It was a massive move within 1 to 2 minutes. And if you caught that dip, you made a ton of money. And Tesla, I've been talking about in my videos that it's boiling. We're going to see a massive move. So all three were winners. And Tesla definitely still winning. DE winning. ADSK winning. So whoever got those calls, and look at this, it's not high premium or expensive options here on ADSK, DE, or Tesla. It's only November 25th, which is tomorrow expiration. I mean, look at this, guys. Soon as the market opened, and I said it in my chat room, the private room right here, that soon as the market opens, I'm getting in here on ADSK and DE. And DE, the runners I sold over 300%, and this thing exploded. Like, first half I sold, it was already over 200% because this thing from 430 within minute went all the way up to 440. Massive move here on DE and also ADSK. You cannot, miss out on this one because this thing was hanging around right around 188, 187, 190 for maybe 6 minutes, and then we saw 200 call strike hitting the price target, actually 199 and some change, and I sold out completely. And not only that, got into live trading for 10-15 minutes, and on Voice I took D puts from 445, 446, 430 puts, and this thing came back down all the way down to 435, caught another $10 move, and those were up over 100% once again. So played calls at opening and then puts, both paid, and D was an absolute beast on Wednesday. Now, this is not the only time I'm making these winners and callouts. I've been doing it for last 15 years for myself and last 1 year for everyone, especially in my Discord and my special Patreon members. I just wanted to say thank you to all on this Thanksgiving Day for the love and support. And now let's dive right into Apple and see what the stock did on Wednesday. So Apple stock was up 0.5%, and once again we're finding resistance at 152, and also we're finding strong support at 150. So I think this one also we're going to see a breakout, and soon as we break 152, Apple heading higher all the way up to 155, and then we could see Apple going up to even 158 to 160. Now to the downside, and a dip buy zone here on Apple. Now going into tomorrow and into Monday would be 150, and if there is a breakdown, a pullback, watch out for the support all the way down here at 147 here on Apple stock, and that would be an absolute dip buy here on the stock. And now we're going to look at Amazon. So Amazon stock is up 1%, and looks like we might be going back up to the upside once again to retest 100. Now in that case, we need to break 95.60 white line 20 SMA, and then Amazon going all the way up to 100. Below, especially this support right here, we're not actually holding 95.67 white line 20 SMA. We're actually holding $94 as a support, this blue line 5 SMA. And if that gives up, we might be coming back down to 90. And so far, we're seeing a strong bounce off of this support 90, and that is a strong buy zone here on Amazon. Soon as we break 95.67, Amazon going back up to 100 and then possibly even higher. And now we're going to look at Google, which is up 1.5%, and we're holding above $98 as a support, blue line, and also red line 50 SMA. Now this thing going into tomorrow and into Monday, we could see Google already sitting at $99 at this moment, so we could see 100, and that is going to be a big resistance to break. Once we break 100, then 103, 105 possible in the short term here on Google, but soon as we break under $98, we're coming back down to 95.22, and then possibly going all the way down to 93.47, and that would be an absolute dip buy here on Google stock. And now we're going to look at Microsoft. And Microsoft, just like I called out this bull flag, and is playing out, guys. I mean, look at this, 248.28, almost 250 is here, and that could come early as tomorrow. We could see Microsoft testing or opening at 250 or above 250, and if that breaks, this thing finally will get that breakout, and that is gonna be even more bullish for the market. And as of right now, if you look at my screen, white line 20 SMA actually positively sloping, and looks like at some point next week we might see this 20 SMA crossing above red line 50 SMA. If that happens, this is going to turn into a bullish trend, and if this thing breaks 250, 255, 260, and possibly this gap fill right around 265 will happen here on Microsoft. So any buying opportunity here on Microsoft would be down here at 244, blue line 5 SMA, and below that we also have support at 240 all the way down here at 236.54. And now we're going to look at Tesla. And what did I say, guys? It's boiling and it's gonna come back up once again. Tesla here, massive move on Wednesday, up $13 in one day, 8%. And not only that, kept going up after hour, another $1.58, and now sitting right at the resistance 185, 186, aligned with this orange line 13 SMA. And if that breaks, you know that's a big resistance. Tesla in no time, and that move can continue. I mean, look at this high volume buying on Wednesday here on Tesla. So this could be the bottom, but I would not be surprised if this thing comes back down and then we see a breakout to 200, and that would give more opportunities to a lot of people to buy the dip. Now Tesla, I made a single video by itself that Tesla is a buy, and I've been buying, and all my calls are up, short term, long term, and also my shares are going to go up very soon. Tesla here breaks 185, 186 right here. We're going to see an explosion all the way up to 198 to 200, aligned with this white line 20 SMA. And if that breaks, at least in short term, it's not going to be bullish, but we're back in the business. We could see Tesla going up over 200. Watch support right here, 177, blue line 5 SMA. And if that gives up, then we might be coming all the way back down to 170 to even 166 and then 158.70 right here. Lower Bollinger Band will act as a support. But if you look at this high volume buying, I don't think we're coming down here. At least not going into tomorrow or next Monday. And now we're going to look at Meta. So Meta was up 0.72%, and this thing also, guys, yes, we have a bull flag right here, and no, we haven't got the breakout yet. This thing is above 111, 112, which is a good news. Now the move needs to continue all the way up to right here, and I think we're going to find resistance right around 118, 117, and that needs to break right here where we got rejected last time. And if that breaks, then 124 definitely possible here on Meta. Now this thing breaks below 104. White line 20 SMA, then a flush down all the way down to flat 100 is possible. As of right now, it's holding the support, which is a good news for the bulls, and I think the move can continue to the upside here on Meta if the market rallies back up to the upside and not see a significant pullback within next week. So thank you so much for watching. Watch those levels going into tomorrow and especially next week, Monday. And I'll definitely keep you guys updated over the weekend. Have a great weekend, everybody. Happy Thanksgiving and enjoy.